Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Hello there, and welcome to the Wedway Walker. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a ride on the rock and roller coaster at Disney's Hollywood Studios. That said, let's get going.
More lead guitarists in this session. We're going to need a few more compressors.
Seems like everyone in town is heading to this show, so there's traffic everywhere you go. But don't worry, we have this concert covered. Just keep it right here on LA's classic rock station.
There you have it, folks. I hope that you enjoyed our final ride on Rock and Roller Coaster at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and remember, your future hasn't been written yet, so make it a good one.